Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to boost processor or CPU speed in Windows 10 and Windows 11. First, type in the search and run or your start button with R. It's a simple way showing, and type ms config, then OK, and then in boot option, and you should click in the advanced option here. After that, here is mine is check, and your computer is it's not check, it's do check, and go is probably in your computer is 1, change it to 4, then OK, then apply and OK, and it will ask to restart your computer to set the configuration in your computer. And the second tips is you should change the edit power plan. You should simply type edit power plan in the search of your computer, so it will show the here. Okay, change power setting, and here mine is already set. Yours may be balanced, change it to high performance. After that, you should go down and find process management system and change these to minimum process should be 0 plugin, and maximum should be 100. Maximum process should be 100. Then OK, and this change, and you should restart your computer, and just these two tips required, and your processor or CPU speed will be boosted. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. Bye.